Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply the visa for Cabo Verde. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, many countries do not even need a visa to travel to Cabo Verde. And there are some conditions too, like if you have residence permit of US, Canada and some other countries, I mean visa of those countries, you don't even need a visa to travel to Cabo Verde for short tourism. But if your nationality does qualify for a visa, and if you want to like apply for the visa, so I'm gonna walk you through the process. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and please subscribe to the channel. All right, so guys, in front of you I have opened this portal consular of Cabo Verde. All right, so here we have the option for visa, so click in here. So let's see what are the visas they offer. See, there are some exemptions also. Okay, you can apply online and you can also apply in person. Okay, both options are there. So let's go for the online option. That's what we are. Okay, so the very first thing we should do is to register if you have not already done. So let's click on register. All right, so I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own case. You must put in your full name and surname to facilitate your identification. Okay, do it as per your own case, guys. Birth date. Okay, phone. You can change your phone. Let's say I have a phone India. Do I have for India? Yeah, why not? Put your. Oh, wow, nice validation. Many countries don't have this. Why a birthday was lost, I don't know. Oh, let's say 99 July 1st. Perfect. Email, confirm your email and national identification card. I select no. Repo, and then I'm not report, submit. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, like I'm gonna put email, confirm email, submit, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens is after you put your after you active, like after you put your email in the previous screen that I have shown you, and you submit, you get a verification email where it forces you to change your password. Then you come here and you see this. Okay, so this is a list of services and it's about new order, so I can create a new order. So here let's order for visa. Let's go for order online. So it's a visitor visa. Okay, so here select type of normal visa that you want. Complimentary USA. It's something about tourism. Okay, identification document. Select the country that has issued you, of course. Do everything very carefully. Okay, place of issue, whatever it is, check your passport, it should match. Then date of issue, whatever it is, expiration date. Then attach your passport here. Estimated length of travel, tourism, you can put like whatever, I just say 10 days, and anything you want to put in, okay, 10, that's fine. Putting notes you can do, and you can submit. Okay, and then it's gonna go for processing. There's a fee for it. Okay, it's written 44.40 euro, and then you have to pay, and then it goes over there, and then if it is granted, you're all good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.